ready? Let me see. Go walk. Oh. Hi guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 14. 15. Vlogmas day 15. We're starting a little late again, but that's because we've been hella busy. Hella sounds like back in the 90s. But anyways, we are on our way to go ice skating. We're gonna go do the most Christmas lights. You'll see. Wow, look at the cows. I know.
Baby cow.
Oh, look, Joseph. Joseph, you want to get on the hayride? Come on.
I forgot to give you your hayride tickets.
Oh, Joseph. Come on, let's go get on the hayride. Look. Stop here.
Wow.
You can take a picture while you're recording too.
I can?
Yeah.
Joseph. Joseph, look.
Look. Puppy has the elf. Look.
Santa Claus is coming to town. You're gonna fall.
Do not lean on this.
Let's go. There's that one right there.
Puppy, hello. Look right here, Joseph. Look at Mama. Hi, puppy. Come, hurry. Come on this way. Come on this way. Oh, right here, this one. Look, say peekaboo. Say peekaboo. Say peekaboo.
Nah, you don't want to do
Look,
it.
puppy, look. Ay, qué chulo.
Joseph, look.
Look at Mama.
You're in the way.
Ay, Dios, that's the wrong animal. Look. We're getting on this thing. I don't know what it is. It's a little hayride thingy. Oh, look, they have mini golf. That's my husband looking for the skates. Whoa, he's getting speed. Joseph's little skates, my baby.
Come on.
I think he's really excited because he started taking off his shoes immediately, and he has a little helper. Let me help Jose. Whoa. Oh my God. You got it. Are you ready? Let me see. Go walk. Oh. Go walk with Papi. Go walk to Papi. Carefully, slowly. He got it.
Joseph, come here. Joseph. Joseph, look. Hi.
Hi. I'm tired. My back hurts. Hold on. Do this. Or you'll fall. Go. Go, Papi.
I can't really see him.
Go. Look, there he goes.
Down, dude.
On the train?
A little
It's
seal.
seal. I'm cold already.
Huh?
on, let's go on the train.
What do you think about this ice skating? Is it fun?
It's alright. My back hurts because I have to play this. And then my fingers are about to break off. Are you gonna wait for it like that? No, it's so hard. Go, Joseph. Joseph is mad. Go, look. No.
No.
Joseph, are you having fun? Joseph is getting the hang of it though. He's just, no, don't get wet. It's gonna be cold. Don't get wet. Come on, come over here. It's wet, come on. We're gonna go in the snow right now. They're cleaning it up. Papi, do you think this is a dumb idea?
It is, but
Joseph likes it.
No,
He's ready.
it's cold.
start doing it. We start moonwalking. No, don't do that. Can you one more?
Wow. Hurry up, Joseph.
Come on.
This is hay.
It's hay. Yeah, come on, let's go over here with Papi.
Hay.
It's hay. Okay, this is
It is the cow.
And the cow.
This is our last thing to do here. It's so cold. My fingers are gonna break off. All right, guys, so we finally made it home. It is freezing, and oh wait, I want to wear my elf hat. I made the mistake of taking a shower before I left, so my hair is so wet and I was freezing, and I even got a cramp on my toe. Anyways, all right, so that is it, guys. It's gonna be the end of the vlog. I hope you guys had fun with us. Snow skating, ice skating and freezing our little asses off at the Veloso farm. We just got home. We're gonna have some dinner. Guys, I got home, my house was cleaned, my living room was clean, my kitchen was clean, dishes were washed. Teenagers did that without me saying anything. That is the reason why that kid deserves a car when he gets his license. Anyways, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on everything, hit the notification bell so you can get a notification every time I post. Tomorrow's vlog is going to be very interesting because we have a couple of special guests, hopefully, and yeah, so that is it, guys. Bye.